Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. We have the Inno Tire Hold 2 bike rack here. This is a platform style bike rack that is secure and durable that makes it really easy to haul your bikes for your friends and family to your next ride. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of its features. So let's start by showing you how to install it on your vehicle. This bike rack comes with a 2-inch shank, but it can also fit an 1.25 inch hitch receiver if you remove the adapter with your provided Allen wrench. So once you have it ready for your vehicle, you'll just line it up with your hitch receiver. And then we're gonna push it in until our pinholes line up. So a nice little tip about this bike rack is to help line up your pinholes every time. They have this plate on the top of the shank, which you can line up with the edge of your hitch receiver so you know when it'll stop, it will be lined up with your pinhole. So now that we have our pinholes lined up, we're gonna take our pin and we're gonna put it in, and then we're gonna twist it till it locks into place. Now this rack, even though it's in place, it's not very stable. So to tighten it up, we're gonna remove this knob down here using our provided key. And then we're gonna turn this knob until it gets nice and tight. Now, once you see that it's nice and tight, we're gonna line up our knob with the hole, and then we're gonna lock it back into place. So now that we have our rack on our vehicle in this upright position, you can see that it's nice and compact and doesn't stick out very far from your vehicle, which makes it really easy to haul around town when you don't have any bikes on. So now if you need to get into your cargo area, we can pull up on this lever right here and move to the next position. We'll just pull up and then it'll click into place. Now this is just slightly angled, so if you just need to get into your cargo area, you can get in real quick. But if you need a little bit more room, we can move to the next position. We'll just pull on that handle and then it'll click into place again. And that way you have plenty of room when you don't have any bikes on to get in and out of your cargo area. Whether you have a tailgate, hatchback, or trunk, it makes it really easy to get in and out. Now with our rack in our loading position, let's go ahead and talk about our trays. Now there's 2 trays, so this bike rack can hold up to 2 bikes, with each bike weighing up to 60 pounds, with a total weight capacity of 120 pounds. Now this is more than a normal weight capacity for other bike racks, which makes this a great option for e-bikes. So to be able to use this bike rack, you'll just have to push on this silver knob right here on the end, and this will unlock the arm, which will pull back. Now, since this is a platform style bike rack, your wheels will sit on these trays, and then this arm will secure over your wheels so that it won't move out of place. Now this rack will hold a bike with a wheelbase of 34 inches to up to 48 inches, and it can hold a tire width of up to 3 inches. Now if you have smaller tires, this is adjustable. You can remove this cover right here by pushing down and then out, and then you can adjust it a little bit lower, so that way you can keep it with a nice and secure fit over your bike. So now that we've gone over some of these features, let's go ahead and get it ready and show you how easy it is to put a bike on. Now we always want to load heavier in the front, so we're going to get our front section ready and we're going to pull back both of our arms. And then we'll go get our bike. So to put our bike on, we're just going to lift it up onto our platform. And now that we have it in place, we're going to start with one side, and that will hold our bike into place, and then we'll just repeat on the other side. And that way it keeps it nice and secure. So this rack comes with a bike cable to help secure it to our rack. We'll just take the cable and we're going to loop it around our frame. And once we have it looped around, we're going to bring it down towards our knob. So once we have it down near our knob, we're going to unlock it. And our knob has this little notch in it. We're just gonna set the loop of our cable in there, and then we're gonna reattach our knob to our bike rack. So now with our cable in place, no one can remove your bike from the bike rack. So So that wraps up the Inno Tire Hold 2 bike rack. As you could see, this was nice and secure, it's durable, easy to use, and is a great option for you and your friends and family to haul your bikes to your next ride. If you have any questions about this rack, or if you'd like to take a look at one, you can visit your closest U-Haul center, or you can visit us online at uhaul.com. Thank you.